Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Empty Paradise. So today's video, we are on our way to go work on a very special Lamborghini Huracan STO, and we're going to be doing the exhaust on it. Right now, I'm on my way, sitting in traffic, so yeah, it's gonna take a while to get there. But I figured I'd go ahead and do the intro for this video. I think it's going to be a really fun day, really awesome project, and I'm really excited for the end result of that. But let me go ahead, skip forward to probably like a little over an hour worth of traffic. But yeah. So we got the Porsche parked up right here, but we have the beautiful STO. We're not doing this one. We're doing this one. What an absolutely amazing car this is, and a garage as well. But yeah, man, both of these things look absolutely incredible. But man, I'm so excited to get started. He is going to do a startup on this and then move it into this bay right here, so we can be able to have like the whole back end right here out in the open. So that'll be nice and easy, and hopefully everything goes as planned. All right, so the rear bumper is off. We have it just kind of sitting right up here to the side. We do kind of have like the connection still going up in there, but this is the original exhaust, and still take off the rear bash bar, but that's a giant bolt on each side. And look at this just monstrosity just sitting right here in the back. This is all coming off, all this, the muffler, and then the new exhaust is sitting right here just shining in the sunlight. Man, that looks amazing. Wow. I cannot wait to see this inside the car. This is going to be awesome. And it actually matches with the blue on the blue STO. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and remove this, unbolt all that, and then get the new exhaust put in. Yep, there goes the clamps. Dang. That is a huge difference. Wow. That's so tiny compared to the stock one. That is insane. That's what it looks like with everything off. And you can see that's the catalytic converters with the little mesh all up in there. That's actually really cool. So now we just got to run a pipe straight out each side. All right, now we can get this ready to go. So we're going to need the new V-band clamps, because the originals, pretty much you have to like rip them out. So yeah. All right, so now the new titanium exhaust is on. This thing looks absolutely amazing in here. And I don't know, what do you guys think? Just leave it bumperless and then just tape the license plate somewhere? But yeah, we're going to go ahead, get everything else all tightened up, get everything put back into place, and get the rear bumper mounted up, and then it'll be good to go. All right, so now everything is put back together. We're going to take this out on the road, go for like a little drive, see what it sounds like on an actual road. Also while it's warmed up a little bit. So this is actually going to be my first time inside of an STO as well. And it's going to be after doing a titanium exhaust. So this is going to be pretty awesome. I'm super excited and can't wait to get started. Man, and if this sounds good enough, he said he might do it to this one. We will see. But yeah, man, this car just looks so good. All right, here we go. ships are amazing. You'll start to get the feel for where the rev range is, for where the bops are. Like with my car, it took a few days of just trying to get a feel for the RPMs. Oh yeah. So actually, I forgot to do an outro last night, so it is now the next morning. That exhaust sounded absolutely amazing, especially on the highway. We kind of cruised for a little bit, getting some good pops and stuff, and man, that sounds amazing. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. But if you guys did like this video, go down, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, because hopefully we have a lot more project car videos coming, especially with some crazy awesome cars. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.